pimento cheese. Don't buy it store-bought. Make it the Tasha's way. Start off with shredding your own cheese. Whatever's on sale that week. This week it was Duke's, so that's what I got. If it's Hammond's, use Hammond's, girl. Whatever's on sale. 4 ounces of pimentos. We are going to drain these. Drain them, put them over in here. You can skip this step. You do not have to put cream cheese in here. But I'm telling you, it makes it delish. We're just going to use 4 ounces of the cream cheese. Onion powder. Some salt. Garlic powder. Pepper. Ground mustard. Give it a good mix. We are going to put this in the ice box and let it chill for 2 hours. Let me know in the comments. Are you a middle sandwich, a host sandwich, or a triangle sandwich? Chili cheese burrito. Delicious chili cheese burrito. Let me show you how to make it. A block of sharp cheddar. We're going to dice you up some onion. Get you a pound of hamburger meat. We are going to fry our hamburger meat and onions together. Drain all your grease out. Add 1 cup of water. Chili powder. Cayenne pepper. Taco seasoning. Tomato paste. Refried beans. Get your cheese that you grated up. Put however much you desire. Oreo Delight. Let me show you how to make it. Look how good. Get some crust from the bottom. Looky there, guys. Quart of heavy whipping cream. Pour all of it into a bowl. And we're going to blend it for 10 minutes. What it should look like after you whip it for 10 minutes. I use 24 of them. Get you a freezer Ziploc bag. You can put these in the food processor, but I'm not. To a bowl. About 4 tablespoons of butter and milk. Get your melted butter, pour it in here. Then we're going to mix. Get rest of your Oreos that was in that pack, and we're going to beat them. You might need a larger bowl, but we're going to try. I'm not trying to dirty up another dish. All done. Ooh, it's running over. Some chocolate. This is the kind that I'm using. Coconut oil. I'm just using a tiny bit, like a spoonful. This in the microwave till it's melted. Some of these disposable cups, they are called snack cups. This is what I'm using. If not, get you like a 9x13 pan, and you can make a whole entire sheet pan with this, but make sure you put them in the refrigerator. Put it at the bottom, like a spoonful. Then we're going to get this, plop it down as well. Melted chocolate, and then put it on the top. Get your Oreo, place it on top. Just smush it down in there. That's it. 4 ingredients. Oreo Delight. Brown butter, chocolate chip cookies. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. A pot, a stick and a half of butter. We're going to brown it on the stove. 1.5 sticks of brown butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of regular sugar, 1 egg, and then 1 egg yolk. And get you some pure vanilla. Not no imitation. Get you some pure vanilla. 1 teaspoon. 1 3/4 cup of flour, all purpose. 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Some semi-sweet chocolates. These are the chocolates I use. 2 cups. Good, nice, sweet. Get you a pan, line it with some parchment paper. Get you an ice cream scoop. We want these bad boys big. Make sure you put these in the ice box so they can chill. Or it's best if you do it overnight, but I don't got patience. So, and if you want to do the small ones, get a little cookie scoop and do it, and they make 24. That extra chocolate makes it phenomenal, guys. I'm telling you. You get them out of the ice box, preheat your oven to 350, bake for 14 minutes. Strawberry cake. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Oh, looky there. My gorgeous, gorgeous bow. 1 box of super moist strawberry cake mix. Strawberry jello, 3 ounces. We're going to use the whole pack. 4 eggs. Half a cup of vegetable oil or butter. 1 cup of milk. Sucker, good old mix. Kind of pan, it doesn't matter what kind of pan it is. A 9x8, a 9x9, whatever. I like making mine in this. I call it a butt pan. You some fresh strawberries. We're going to dice up 1 cup. So that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the quick and easy way to do this. Get you a little kettle, because we're going to put this sucker on the stove on medium-high heat. You're going to put them on medium-high heat. We're going to cook them down to a paste. Remove from the heat. Get you some kind of bowl. We're going to put it over into there and let it completely cool. Of cream cheese. 8 tablespoons of butter. Mine's salted butter. Room temp. You're going to mix that up really good. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla, 4 cups of powdered sugar. What it's going to look like. Get your strawberries. And then just start mixing. Mix really good. Get your cake, let it cool. This is optional. Get you some strawberry glaze. Get you some strawberries. And refrigerate. It has to stay refrigerated. Delicious pizza sticks. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delicious pizza sticks. Pan, spray with some Pam. Get you some pizza crust. Melt you some butter. Get you some garlic salt. This is unsalted butter. That's why I'm using garlic salt. If all you have is salted butter, just use some garlic and some parsley. Get you some cheese. This is the cheese I'm using. Pepperoni. This is the kind I'm using. Take this end, flip it on the top. Then we are going to make sure you close the ends. Get you a pizza cutter. Cut it in strips. Take your butter and brush the top of them. Preheat your oven to 350. We are going to bake for 20 minutes. Delicious peach crisp. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delicious. Get you a can of peaches. Some sugar, however much you prefer. Some cinnamon. Some vanilla. And a tiny bit of nutmeg. Some brown sugar. Good mix. Some all-purpose flour. I'm using about a whole cup. Some brown sugar. Use some oats. Any kind of oats will work for this. You can get you some salted butter. I think it levels out the sweetness and stuff in it with the salt. I used a half of a stick of butter. I sliced it up. This is my household. My hands is clean. I prefer anyone cooking food with washed hands than gloves any day. Whatever you prefer, do you, hun. Then we're just going to mix it and incorporate that butter really good. We are going to preheat our oven to 400. And here's this is what it should look like. We are going to put it on the top of here. 1 pot Philly cheesesteak, cheese tortellini. Let me show you how to make it. Oh my gosh, delicious 1 pot cheese tortellini. Get you some kind of cast iron. We're going to put some olive oil up in there. Get you a yellow onion, green bell pepper. Mine has seen better days, but we're going to make it work. Add in your peppers and onions. These are the steaks. I'm going to be using all 4 of them. Add that into your peppers and onions. Now we're going to take some salt, some pepper, and some steak seasoning. Get you some heavy cream. We're going to use this whole entire 1 pint. Get you a bag of cheese tortellini. Add them as well. This is what it should look like with everything combined. Cover and let it cook and do its thing for at least 20 minutes. Get you some provolone and add it in here. You can get the shredded kind, but this is just as good.